Welcome to this video on auditing top management with the focus on auditing strategic direction. Within the framework of ISO 9001-2015, top management need to take an active role in the quality management system by demonstrating effective leadership. One aspect of effective leadership is top management clearly defining the organization's strategic direction. In this video, the auditor is auditing the managing director. Watch this video and identify whether the auditor does this effectively.
Can you explain to me the organization's strategic direction?
Yep. So we have a 5-year business plan, what we call a rolling 5-year business plan. So it's firm for 1 year and projection for the next 4 years.
Okay. And what are the inputs in developing the plan?
We look at a variety of things. We look at trends in the industry, and again, there's a particular focus on changes in technology at the moment. But we also get direction from our head office in terms of their expectations for us around profit, etc.
Okay. And how do you measure performance against the plan?
We have a monthly management review meeting, so we review performance. Every 6 months we get together and undertake a full review of progress against the plan. And again, it's during these 6 monthly meetings that we make any changes necessary based on market changes.
Okay. Can you show me the full content of the business plan?
I wouldn't be able to do that. There's confidential information contained in there, so I'm unable to show you the full content.
I'm going to have to terminate the audit.
But I can show you the summary. I can show you the analysis, the sort of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats analysis that we've done. So a summary of the strategic direction and business plan. I can show you the quality objectives and how these link to our quality policy.
Well, as part of the IATF rules, I have to see the full content of the business plan, not just the extracts that you want to show me. And IATF says if this is not provided, the audit must be terminated.
Wow, I didn't know that was a requirement, but if that's what the rules say, then we're going to have to terminate the audit.
Yep. Have a good one.
Okay.
Let's summarize. In undertaking an audit of the processes owned by top management, an auditor needs to seek objective evidence of compliance with the relevant ISO 9001 and IATF requirements. These are mainly defined in section 4, 5, and 9 of the standards. ISO 9001 clause 4.1 requires an organization to develop their strategic direction based upon internal and external issues. In this video, the organization states they've done this and the defined outputs are a business plan. Whereas ISO TS 16949 required a business plan, this is not specifically stated in ISO 9001 or IATF 16949. So the organization may state, as in this video, that aspects of the business plan are confidential. The auditor was wrong to state that the audit would be terminated. He should have stated that he respects aspects of the business plan are confidential, but explain that he needs to see objective evidence that the plan exists and evidence of how the strategic direction links to the quality policy and measurable quality objectives. So let's summarize with key learning points. IATF 16949 third-party audits cannot be terminated. This is specified in the rules for achieving IATF recognition. Aspects of the organization's business plan may be highly sensitive and the organization may not be prepared to share with the auditor. However, the auditor must ensure that they see evidence to meet all of the relevant ISO 9001 and IATF requirements. For more information, visit the website in the description and don't forget to subscribe.